you answer this for me?
Your phone?
Yes, you just press this button.
Is there some reason you can't answer it?
Well, yes, there is.
Would you care to share it with me?
No, not really. You must know. It's my ex. He wants to get back.
I'm happy for you.
He cheated on me with another woman. What else could I do? I had to leave. Can you imagine someone cheating on me? Tim. He's not gonna stop.
You can tell him to stop.
But then I'd have to talk to him.
You can turn your phone off.
Well, what if my agent calls?
He could leave a message.
We're not in the business, are you?
Oh God, an actress. That explains the outfit.
He's not gonna stop.
You can tell him to stop.
But then,
You'd have to talk to him. You're gonna keep doing that till I answer your phone, aren't you?
thank you.
Hello? Hold on. Are you Karen?
Yes, I'm Karen. That's my phone. Who else would I be?
He wants to talk to you.
I know that.
Can I tell her who's calling?
I know who's calling.
He wants to know who I am.
Tell him. Tell him. Tell him you're my lover.
Are you crazy? You don't have to answer that. Hello? I'm the guy she handed the phone to. No, really. Just some guy. Here I was, sitting here, having a cup of coffee, minding my own business. Typical.
Typical? What's typical?
Hold on. What's that? So he wants to know how you look.
Well, how do I look?
Nice. You look nice.
That's all you got? Nice.
Okay. You look good. Fine. Very good.
Tell him I look incredible. Tell him I look so hot you can't wait to take me home.
I'm not gonna tell him that.
Well, if you've got any feelings for me at all, that's exactly what you do.
Feelings? I don't even know you.
That's no excuse.
Hello? Oh, you heard. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. He says there wasn't anybody else. That it's all in your head.
There is nothing in my head. I like to rephrase that.
Look, I'm just an innocent bystander here. I don't know who caused this train wreck.
You have every reason to believe it was me.
I didn't say that.
Pick a side.
You know you have to talk to him.
He wants to talk to me, he can talk to my lawyer. Tell him that.
Hello? She feels it would be best all around if you dealt through a lawyer. Oh. He says you don't have a lawyer.
I do too have a lawyer. Vicky is my lawyer. Tell him that.
Hello? She says someone named Mickey is her lawyer. He says Mickey is his lawyer.
Vicky is not his lawyer. Vicky is my lawyer.
Maybe you two could have Mickey on alternate weekends. Hello? Sorry. I tried. She won't talk to you. There's no doubt about that.
No doubt about what?
Nothing. He was just saying how stubborn you are.
Stubborn? Stubborn? I am not stubborn. I just have a strong resolve.
Hello? I understand. Sorry I couldn't be of more help.
He's not calling back. Why isn't he calling back? You'd call back, wouldn't you?
Maybe he got the message, didn't want to talk to him.
Well, that's not the point.
He does call back. You should talk to him.
You're going?
Contrary to appearances, I don't actually live on this bench.
Wait,
Yes?
would you like to come home with me?
Home with you?
Yes, home with me, that's what I said.
Why would I want to go home?
Well, you said I look good. Very good if I remember. Oh my God, you're gay. I'm so sorry.
Nothing to be sorry about. I'm not gay.
Well, then I don't get it.
Did you think it was automatic because I'm a man?
Yeah.
I'm sure a woman like you isn't used to being rejected very often.
Are you kidding me? I'm an actress. If it weren't for rejection, I wouldn't have any life at all.
Well, sorry I don't fulfill the typical male stereotype.
I'm not looking for any commitment.
That's the problem.
Problem? What problem?
Nothing. Nothing. It was interesting meeting.
That's it? I offer you my body, which, by the way, you have been once over and pretty good. And all you have to say is, it was interesting meeting you.
Strange as it may seem, you and I have a lot in common.
Apparently not as much as I thought.
No? We're both on the same journey. It's just that I'm a little further down the road than you.
Journey. When did this become the Travel Channel?
My wife...
You're married? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I never would have.
I'm not married. I was married. About 2 years ago, I caught her with... Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, whether he cheated on you or not,
Oh, he cheated on me.
either way, you're experiencing a sense of loss. It's perfectly natural. I went through the same thing. The need for some reassurance, comfort, a warm body.
Sounds good to me. Especially the warm body part.
No, it doesn't. Trust me.
If it helps, I'll give you a thumbs up on Facebook.
You know, how about this? Let's just consider ourselves two people who met, let's say, too soon.
So you mean there's still a chance?
You know, you're a very hard person to let down.
I get that a lot.
All right, Dan. Let's just say we're two people who met too late.
Two people who met too late.
Two people who met too late.
Wait a minute. I know that line. It's from a movie. Forget Me Not.
Oh, you saw it?
I read for it. How do you know it?
I wrote it.
You wrote Forget Me Not?
Uh-huh.
Well, that means you're, what's his name?
That's just my pen name. My real name is Lynn Brothers.
Well, but if you wrote Forget Me Not, because you know that after Channing Tatum said the line,
Two people who met too late.
he went home with Emma Stone.
Not in the first cut. The studio changed it. The original didn't test well.
Well, it's not test so well now.
But this is real life.
I like the movie version better.
You know, you're a very irrational woman, which I personally find very attractive. That's just me.
You have a very interesting way of insulting a person.
I am a writer. Trust me, you don't want to get involved with me. Not that I wouldn't spoil you for all other men, just you still love that guy.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. He loves you.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Told you?
You didn't have to. Right on cue. If I were you, I'd talk to him. You don't want to spend the rest of your life picking up out-of-work writers on park benches. They'd only use you for their next project and leave you for someone even more pathetic. Karen slowly raises the phone to her ear. After a moment, she speaks.
Hello?
The handsome and talented man on bench turns to exit. Romantic music up and under. Roll credits. Written by, what's his name? Slowly fade to black. Music out. Super graphic. The end.